Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today I am back with a class. This class is for the students of honors second year, and I have chosen a poem from the same poet, William Blake. This poem is taken from his collection Songs of Experience. Songs of Experience contrasts human life with the state of innocence. This poem is very symbolic. In the Songs of Experience, we have studied a poem, The Lamb, and in the Songs of Experience, the same kind of poem, not same, that is contrasting poems, is presented in the Songs of Experience, The Tyger. The lamb symbolizes the innocence of humankind, the meekness, the mildness, whereas the tiger symbolizes the roughness, ferocity, and evils, and the experience of human soul. In this poem, the poet is presenting the beauty of creation and the beauty of the creator. His eternal search for the creator is embodied in this poem. The tiger shines brightly in the forest of the night, but in the combination of the structure is very symmetrical. The God has created the tiger as a vital force, as a great creation, and he compares the natural beauty and the significance of tiger. We will go through the poem line by line and try to explain it very clearly so that you can understand it easily. So let's start. In this poem there are 6 stanzas, and every stanza comprises of 4 lines. Let's get loud. Tiger, tiger, burning bright in the forest of the night. What immortal hand or eye could frame the fearful symmetry? This is a great question. Tiger, tiger, burning bright. That is in the creation of God, tiger, there is extreme brightness, the dazzling brightness in the eye of the tiger, which is very ferocious and which shines brightly even in the deep forest during the night. The beauty of the tiger is reflected in these two lines. Though it is very fearful, dreadful, but it is beautiful. So, the creation evokes a question to the mind of the poet. What is that immortal hand or eye who framed the fearful symmetry, the balanced creation? This is an eternal search for the Creator. What immortal hand? This hand, why? Signifies the hand of the God, signifies the Creator. What is that hand which could beautifully decorate that creation? Tiger, which is more amazing, which is very colorful, bright, ferocious, and violent, which is dreadful. That is, dreadful beauty in that tiger is reflected in these four lines. And the greatness of the Creator who could picturesquely beautifies the tiger. So, in a sentence, you can say this stanza refers to the beauty of the creation and the beauty of the Creator, greatness of the Creator. Next stanza. In her distant deeps of skies burnt the fire of thine eyes. On what wings dare he aspire? What the hand dare seize the fire? In her distant deeps of skies burned the fire of thine eyes. Repeatedly, the poet is asking some questions. Her distant deeps or skies burned the fire of thine eyes. That is, the eyes of the tiger burns brightly. The fire lightens a great fire, and he wants to know how far the fire of the tiger reaches. On hot wings dare he aspire, or the hand dare seize the fire. And at the same time, he wants to know how did the Creator aspire to create that kind of creation. He is astonished with the greatness and power and dreadfulness of that Creator, who could control and control the process or method of that creation. So that is awfully grateful. So in the next stanza, and hot shoulder and hot art could touch the sinews of the heart, and when the heart began to beat, her dread hand, her dread feet. That is another points to understand the greatness of the Creator. How powerful is the Creator? What shoulder and what art? In these lines, the poet is trying to make us understand about the power and greatness of the Creator and artistic beauty of the Creator, who could easily touch the sinews of the heart of the tiger. When the heart began to beat, what dread hand, what dread feet? That is, the heart of the tiger is very dreadful, is very powerful, and when it starts to beat, how the Creator control it. So we can assume it very clearly that God is very powerful. We can imagine about the excellence of God in the creation of the heart of the tiger, in the creation of the artistic features, symmetrical figures of the tiger. Next stanza. What the hammer, what the chain, in what furnace was thy brain? What the anvil, what the dread grasp, dare its deadly terrors clasp. This stanza is very appealing to us. We want to imagine a workshop or a blacksmith. A blacksmith makes things very artistically with iron and fire. He uses some furnace, anvil, chain. These are the sort of words that reminds us of the creation of uh, heavy materials. And the poet does a comparison here, also a contrast, that God is a superpower. In the creation of that uh, serious creation or serious being like tiger, what hammer is used to balance the limbs of the body of the tiger, or what the chain that God used to make it so symmetrical figures in the body of the tiger. And what was that anvil? Where did God put the parts of the body to give a perfect shape on the body of the tiger? There is deadly terrors clasp. Or how did the God create a balanced size, dreadful creature like tiger? Actually, these lines gives us a clear picture of the vast and great power of God, how He creates this violent creature like tiger. In the next stanza, when the stars threw down their spears and uttered heaven with their tears, did He smile His work to see? Did He who made the lamb make thee? In the very beginning, I told you that the lamb is contested with the tiger, contested to the tiger because he wants to know, is it the same creator who creates the lamb, creates the tiger? Because lamb is very meek and mild, whereas tiger is just the opposite of lamb. So, is the creator same? When the stars threw down their spears and uttered heaven with their tears, did He smile His work to see? Did He who made the lamb make thee? He poses a question here because of the astounding beauty and symmetry of the tiger. It is God who made the angel. It is God who made the shuttle. It is God who made the lamb. It is God who made the tiger. So we see that ferociousness and mildness lies side by side. We see evil and good work together. We see violence and benevolence remain side by side. The Creator is the same, is the game of the Creator. Last of all is the repetition of the first stanza. And this repetition symbolizes the urgence to know the Creator. And in the forest of the night, at immortal hand or eye, they are praying the fearful cemetery. The poet is asking questions to know the actual he wants to know the Creator, he wants to know the process of creation, he wants to know the differences in creation, he wants to explore the things and search the beauty of the creation and the beauty of the Creator. So, in this poem, we see tiger is very symbolic. Tiger represents the ferociousness and the experience of human soul. In this poem, we also find the experience and rigorousness of human soul. We expect that you will be able to present two contrary states of human soul after reading these two poems, The Lamb and the Tiger. Both these poems are contrasting to each other, and one symbolizes the innocence of human soul and the other symbolizes the deadliness, ferociousness, vitality, force, and evil spirits of human soul. So, dear students, I think that the poem is very clear to you, and this poem is an important poem of William Blake. You will try to read out it time and again, and I believe you will get the true meaning very vividly. We will try to make it clear later on. Thank you so much.